Hello, welcome to my channel. Let's know. In this video, we'll learn how to draw ogive. In this table, uh, class limit and frequency was given, and now we have to calculate the class boundary. So, for class boundary, we have see the class lower limit 10, upper limit 19, and upper limit 19 and next limit 20. The difference between two is 1. So d by 2, 1 by 2 equal to 0.5. So minus 0.5 minus from 10, so 9.5, and 0.5 plus to 19, so 19.5, then 19.5 to 29.5, and then 29.5 to 39.5, and so on. So class boundary portion completed, and now we have to calculate the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency are two types, one is less than type and other more than type. So first calculate less than type. 4 the first, and 4 and 7 11, and then 11 plus 11 22, 22 plus 15 37, 47, 55, and 60. And then more than type, first 5, 8 and 5 13, 8 and 5 13, and 13 13 plus 10 23, and so on. Now take a scale for drawing. So first scale 1 centimeter, vertical scale 1 centimeter to 5 cumulative frequency, and then draw a line, one vertically and one horizontally, and vertical line starting from 0 according to scale, 0, 5, 10 according to scale. The vertical line, actually y-axis, represent the cumulative frequency. So you can put the label on this side. So first cumulative frequency represent on y-axis, and horizontal line represent class boundary. So put the class boundary on horizontal line. First 9.5, then 19.5, then 29.5, and last one 79.5. And next portion, less than type cumulative frequency, put on the graph paper. First 4 should be put on upper class boundary. So 4 by 5 according to scale, so 0.8, 0.8 first one, second one 11, 11 by 5 equal to 2.2. So it's 2.2, not 2.75, 2.2. Put on the graph, and next 22. Put the all point on the graph paper, that is less than type complete. And now put a greater than type cumulative frequency. The first one 5 and last one 16. The 16 first, here 16 should be put on the lower class boundary of first class boundary. Then 56 means 11.2, and put the all point according to the scale. And then in last 0.5, sorry, 5, that's mean 1, and then join all the point with hand very smoothly. Now put the title ogives and scale, that is vertical scale 1 centimeter to 5 cumulative frequency. Thank you.